to SEP trading. So guys, in this session we are going to calculate the levels for expiry 14 March. We will find out the levels and we'll see the the trades whatever we have deployed already. So how can be the adjustment made on the trades so that we will be in a good shape. Now guys, if you are doing trading, right, so always look for the consistency, and with the setup, even with small profits, definitely if you can see here on screen, we can achieve our targets, our goal, right? And in longer run, with the help of compounding, the profit can be very good. So right now we have reached up to the 3,16,000 by following only one setup, and which is very good. Now coming back to the Nifty charts, where are we? One moment. So let's start it from the daily time frame. So on daily time frame, the Nifty, if you have see on last Friday, is closing almost around its all-time high, correct? That is almost 22,484. Now guys, if you are new to this channel, please watch it completely. I will make sure you will definitely learn something new. Okay, so suppose in any week, right, if Nifty closes on higher side, that too on Friday, then there is most probability of chances, again I am saying here's probability, not 100% guarantee, but out of 10 times 8 times it happens, Nifty will break that high in coming, I mean in the next week, right? But then again there will be a possibility like that it is going to test its 10 DMA. So right now, as per this, the Nifty 10 DMA, last 10 moving average is coming around 22,300. So any dip towards 22,300 will be a very good buying opportunity, at a buy on dip approach. But again, whether Nifty will give that much of chance, again that is a question. So now on chart, if you see, right, there is a proper VCP setup forms here, volatility contraction is there, and then boom, correct? So this is what the VCP technical funda, if you guys I mean if you are experienced trader, right? So currently the approach will be on Nifty, buy on dip until and unless it is closing below 22,440. So why 22,440 level is very much important for me, right? So that is coming around, the CPR is coming around 22,440. So 22,440 and 22,330, those are going to be a very good levels as a buying opportunity, right? But the levels, the trades, as you guys are know, always we should deploy trades even if the market goes opposite to our trade. We should be in a that I mean very small loss, or our trade should be manageable. So that much of accuracy, sustainability we should maintain on our trades. So for 14 expiry, what are the levels are coming as per the probability, right? So as earlier video I was posting the trades, but that is not I am going to do onwards, right? We have one Telegram channel where we are doing it, right? So guys, as per the weeks, the range was coming at around 22,020 to 22,908. Okay, and if you see here, right, and one moment only, so there is some mistake here. Okay, as per weeks, actually the level should come around 21,020 to the 22,908. Or let's calculate it again, okay, if there is some problem. So if you see, the Nifty was at around 14.25, and as per that the level is coming around 22,908 to 22,020. Okay, that is good. So we have already considered these levels while deploying the trades. So as per VIX says, like Nifty will not give closing about 22,900 as per the VIX probability. But guys, as you have noticed, on Wednesday only we have deployed the trades, and that too with considering this range which is far away. So on 23,100 we have sold almost around, if you go and check on Wednesday, right, what was the option premium for this 23,100? It was almost around 20 rupees, and we have sold because the trend is I mean the positive, Nifty is on positive bias, the trend was intact, and that's why we have sold it around 21,950, that to around 18 rupees. Now on Friday, both the options were almost around 5 rupees. So we got almost around very good theta decay of 15 rupees, 15 points at both the end. And as per compared to a quantity, we are already very in good shape with respect to that trade, right? So 95% winning probability, we are already very in good shape. And again 90% winning probability, that is coming around 22031 and then 21859. So in coming expiry, if you found Nifty nearer to 23021, that will be a very good opportunity with a very small stop loss. We can enter in a very good quantity, and definitely at least, I mean, in P you can get a very good profit, right? But again, I will suggest you don't trade blindly, trade at your levels, trade as per your risk. So these are the levels are tested with last 15 years of data through AI. It is coming, and now again 60% winning probability is also 22772. Okay, so most of the times, and 75% winning probability is 22938. So definitely, if I see the Nifty nearer to 22940 with a very 10-point stop loss, I can look for the opportunity where I can get a maximum gain. Definitely I will look for chart as well, technicals. And suppose by chance if I found Nifty after the gap of Nifty to 23021, that will again give me the very good opportunity, and here the probability of winning will be more. Now again, what are the astro levels for the Monday? So guys, 1120 will be a very good important level. Okay, that moment, I mean 1115 to 11 30, that moment you can look at the candles, right? Whether high or low, what will be the earlier trend. So most probability the chances of reversal are there. So that is the astro timing curve coming around 1120. Okay, 5 and times 5 10 times here and there. Okay, but most probability the reversal will happen. But again, definitely you can join the Telegram channel, because another timing, astro timing, I'm going to give you as per the Nifty opening tomorrow. Okay, so usually I provides two astro timings which are very much important to me, in order to gain more, in order to do a shifting to our already deployed trade. So always doing trade, many people rely on technicals and charts, but what I feel, more than that, mathematical logic, numbers are more important, the data is more important. So we trade on the basis of data. Now if you see what are the support levels are coming, as per CPR the support is almost around 22440, again here 22455, 22418, 22380, 22343 and 22305. I'm not saying Nifty going below 22300, but again the market is supreme. Okay, and on upper side, what will be a very good opportunity to look for the at to buy the piece. So that is coming around 22907 and 22945. So 22945 I found Nifty near to that. And why I'm getting this confidence, because from last 4 years I'm trading on this, and I know like how much accuracy is there, from where exactly the market can reverse. Okay, so 22945 will be a very good number. I'm looking, I might be wrong, but experience says it works 90% of times. So it is always the game of probabilities, and the profits are huge. So this is the one thing, at least these levels always keeps you away from intraday trading to trade a wrong, to trade a wrong trade, and lost all your capital, right? I'm clearly seeing here like 21500 to 21 900, there is no trade zone for a Nifty. Okay, 22500 to 22900. Okay, so we know like from where exactly the reversal can come, so we are already prepared for that. And if what will happen if the market even not went up to 22950, then our already deployed option selling trades giving us the profit. So we always play the 360 degree. Now in order to gain more, right, in order to support the strategies, correct, what are the things we are doing most, right? So for us, for a safe trader community, it is all about the game of probabilities. We do option selling only. Always remember guys, play your age only. Okay, if someone is new to this, someone is compatible with option buying, you go and do it, but always maintain. For me, option buying is never worked. Okay, now always play your age and setup only. Market is supreme, you must give that much of respect to market. market can beat you any day, and that's why the option selling proper quantity is very much important. Okay, and we know all our stop losses, right? And I have seen many trader goes and trade blindly, deploy the trade, someone has trade on someone call, right? That thing they are doing, so they must realize, I mean, why you have started trading, right? I mean, there must be definitely certain goal what you want to achieve, right? For me it's like I want to give my family a very good, a very good life. That is the reason. And I want to be, I don't want to lose to trading because of any wrong decision. Okay, so what is again the important thing is like, don't deploy all your capitals onto a single trade, right? People do a trades with the hedging, but mine every trade is hedged to one another, right? So if you want to learn all these things, okay, definitely you join the Telegram channel, and soon we are going to start, the course as well. Okay, on this, there we are not going to learn the basic. These are going to, I mean, very less people in the market right now going, teaching these subjects, right? So what are the I mean, almost 3 to 4 I can provide the equity setups to you, which works in market swing trading, right? Where you can earn almost around 8 to 9%. Okay, you don't need to do option trading. Those are very good setups. Then play in the direction of trades, then retracement setups, right? So astro level and timing I'm already updating. So even if you trade on almost around 3 to 4 setups, 3 to 4 setups here, it will keep you away from over trading. It will not, you will not lose. Either you will get a stop loss, right? But in fact our trades are already deployed, right? So we can manage the trades. You don't need to go and deploy the trades depending on these technicals which I am coming on this algo screen, right? So you just need to do a adjustment on your existing trades. There is no need to do a new trades. So there will be another setup like master blaster, right? If I got a very good response on this, if you like my video analysis, post in the channel, sir, please come, like online we want to trade live with you. Definitely we can plan for that. Okay, so as we are option seller, we don't need to always active in the market. But yeah, my plan is like to be at least for 1 hour come live in the market. That will help to gain more. So another setup will be like master blaster setup that we are going to trade around 920. And it may give a it may take your stop losses 1 or 2 days, but the day when it will succeed, you will be in a very good profit, right? The risk reward was 1:10. Then again there is a one less probability high reward setup. So these are the setups which are like where the losses are already defined. Suppose, just to give example, the 800 and the 1:4 will be the ratio. So like if even if market goes in opposite to my direction, the loss will be around 800, but the gain will be 3000, like almost around 3200. So 1:4 ratio, right? And so that too basis on the technical. Okay, so this is again one of the important setup I am going to teach you in my course. And then again definitely there almost around, guys, I mean, almost around 100 option selling strategies we are going to learn together. So that is about the detail about the course, right? If you are interested, definitely you can ask. I will go through the comments, and if needed, we can start. Now many people looks like go on the charts and always look for the charts. So for me the chart is nothing but the noise. Okay, we follow the higher time frames, right, in order to trade setups, right? And I always wanted to have the notification on my getting notification on screen. I want to keep away from the chart. So this is one which we have derived, which will give me a the Nifty spot price at a current time and date, right? And if as per my setup, our setup, if any level comes, it will trigger a message to me, notification to me. So this is going to be a very interesting. So that's it all, guys. If you are still, I mean, if you are liking and loving my analysis, so definitely like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. I will try to upload the video for next expiry, that too on Friday, that too on coming Wednesday. Okay, so stay tuned on this channel and take care. Thank you all.